In this video clip, I'm going to give you an inside view of how to use the Infobarrel platform to write content articles. It's a revenue sharing website that gives you an opportunity, a free opportunity, to generate some extra income and turn that extra income into residual income over time. Now, I gave it a little jump start like I did with the hub page inside view, just to speed up the process a bit because there's a lot to show you. When you sign into the Infobarrel website and you create an account, you look for the word create. Sometimes it's up here, it depends what page you're on, and sometimes it's over here. You click create and you're brought to this page where you submit a title, and then it automatically creates a URL, and then you do the human test to make sure that you're not a computer or a machine. And after that, you're brought to this page. Your title is automatically populated into the field. This is your URL. I chose a category. It takes a few minutes to find the best fitting category. That's why I did this first. There's a little arrow right here, not an X. And I chose technology, and then it allowed me to choose a subcategory, and then another box came up, another field, and it said, would you like to choose another subcategory? And I chose TV. So that fit really well with that. Or you could do find a category, and the category they chose was entertainment, games, and Nintendo. But I don't speak about games, but I speak about audio and video, and TVs, and technology. That category was perfect. Article summary. I put it here in the field. If you go over the amount of characters, it will tell you. Tags. Infobarrel call their keywords and phrases tags. And just like the hub pages, I have my work already made, my content, and that's where I got this information. My title, my summary, my tags. And now I'm hitting the content. And I'm going to do the same thing I did with hub pages. I'm going to scroll down just a little bit. And it's about the same topic. I used a similar title. And I wrote all new original content. Oh, the signature. If I click on this arrow, all my signatures come up from over the years of being a member. I should delete some of these. I'm sure there's a place to do that. But I chose my website as a signature. The signature shows up here. Underneath your, I guess, aviator, your image. Every website calls it differently. And here we go. It's a little different that I have the browser on large font. I'm going to click Add Text. And they call these elements. Text element. And you could put a heading optional. I'm going to put Roku streaming TV channel. And you can put a subheading if you like, but I'll come back and do that. Now with this one, if I want to copy and paste, I have to click this word. You see a little W there, and a box pops up, and you could do the clear, the Control V. You know, I've never done that. Let's see if it works. I didn't do it for me, but I'm going to paste it with my mouse. I'm going to click Insert. And there you go. Now I could change the font and the text and all that. You see here. Play around with it. You could do a few things. Change the color. But I'm going to come back and do that. That's all stuff you can do on your own. And you could also tweak it by HTML. And you have your spell check here. So I got that content in there. And again, when you copy and paste, check your spacing. I always have a problem with spacing since day one. Let's see. All right. Now, I want to add a video, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to click ABC, and they think these are spelt wrong. Ignore all. So that'll go away. Same thing with YouTube. Ignore all. Because I know that's spelt right. Or maybe they wanted the T to be capital. That's okay. General, what did I put? Available to the public. You know what? I'm going to change that to public. It helps you with your grammar too. The Infobarrel spell check has taught me so much with my grammar. And that's good. It's 5 million. Huh, there you go. Perfect example. Passive voice. I'm going to leave that one. But that's to give you an idea on like the red line again. Ignore all because that's the way it's spelled. Instant TV channel. Content sections filled. Passive. The text pack filled with content. Man, you learn a lot. But that's the fun of it. I want to learn a lot. See this little X here? In order to get a inside view, like view it before I move to the next element, I'm going to save and preview. Now, it automatically saves on its own every few minutes, I believe. But this is showing me. I get a preview of my content. This is where an ad's going to go. That's where Infobarrel places an ad. You don't have to worry about coding or programming. Your focus is on creating the best, interesting, informative content you can and have fun. And then this is where another ad will go, and here's my content. So you get to see a real visual before you hit publish, which is good. Now I'm going to close it. And over here, this gives you an idea. The more I write content, the more content I add, and I know I have more. These will go down because the numbers are really low. This is going to change. I don't believe this will be a problem. It won't let you publish it if your keyword density has too many issues. We'll get to that in a minute. So I'm going to scroll back up. Back to elements. Okay. I'm going to click add video. I already have that information available here. Scroll down again. Going to click edit, paste, save. And this is an intro. This is a quick view of my Roku TV channel. It's an opening video clip. It's about 2 minutes long to show people what you can accomplish and what the rest of the article is about. Then I'm going to click add text again because I know I want to add text, content. Going to copy, minimize. See that box comes, oh, you know what? I want to see something. Nah, you have to do it that way. Okay. Place it into the box, click insert. Make sure the spacing's okay. You could check the spell check. Anyway. Okay, I'm going to leave that for now. Going to click that little box. And this speaks about banner ad. Roku. How about instant TV channel banner ad rotation? Again, I'm going to click Save and Preview just for a moment. Yep, looks good. I'm going to go back to Elements, click Add Video. Highlight and copy another YouTube URL. Click Edit, paste it, save it. And this was, I'm going to come back and do that, folks, because I want this video. It's a lot of information I'm showing you quickly, but the point is, you're getting the gist of it. I'm teaching you how to use the platform faster. I will fill in these areas. I just want a little time to think. I'm going to click Text. Another element field populated. Click the W. Insert. I guess that's Word. Click the little box, and then I think yep, I have another video. Going to click video. Gonna go back. And this is what you do, and then you fill in the information I'm not filling in. You know what I'm going to do, folks? I'm going to end it on this note. Stay tuned, and I'll be right back with the finished product. I finished filling in all the information I needed to fill in to publish the article. This is now a finished, published article. And I want you to see the finished product. Here is my title. That's a beginning score. That'll go up because I already know I want to add content to this, but that's part of building your internet writing business. You always add to your old articles. You update information. Over here, people already got 3 likes. I took a break after I finished the work because it's time consuming. There is work involved. This is not easy. If it were easy, like everybody always says, everyone would be doing it. So you really have to have a passion to want to be a content writer at the revenue sharing websites. But people already shared it 3 times on Facebook, and this is not even 24 hours. And then you see the Google Plus one, and the tweet, and the pin it. So people are going to share this on the social networking sites. And whenever I read an article I socially share it, at least through one of these, because that helps your fellow content writer. And this is their format. They place this ad here. See that? I don't want to click it. Never click your own ads. And then you see my content. And this is, the subtitle. Here are my keywords right here. Browse related topics. They're my keywords and phrases. This is their format. They place this ad here. This is just a box where they put their code in and ads automatically populate. That's how we earn our revenue. It's a revenue sharing website. But it's something you can use to earn good, steady extra income without learning programming or coding. You focus on writing interesting content. And here's another ad. And then you see my YouTube videos. And again, the subheadings over each of them. More content. Oops. Another video. Another subtitle. Another video, more content. And I close it up with some more content. Now, I already know I want to add to this, because there's a really good important part. I'm going to build on this article. I built a solid foundation, and I will continue to build on it, and that will make it more desirable to the search engines, that they will index it to their search engines. And the specific keyword phrases, titles, the specific category. And here's an image I added. This is an Amazon product I added. That was part of one of the elements. And they make it so easy to add an Amazon product. So I added one. And if I click this image, on this image, I'm brought to another page. And this is connected to my article. Here's an ad. Here's another ad. So that helps increase the odds of you generating revenue. The revenue sharing. Get it? Revenue sharing. And there's my name. And then it says, this image is originally part of the article, develop a Roku streaming TV channel. So if someone comes across this little banner page, they're going to see that. And the odds of them clicking on this, because I use the proper image because it matches the topic of the article, they're going to click on this link. And if they click on an ad, then that increases your chances of earning more money. So they're going to click on this link and they're going to be brought back to my article. And that's how that works. So I hope this helps you learn how to use the Infobarrel platform faster. This is a fun site. This I'll show you. I'm going to click on forum. This is awesome. Infobarrel really is the only forum I'm active in besides my Facebook group. You know, I belong to a couple of groups, but as a forum, I'm not in here every day. But you know what? That once every couple of months, I have an urge to post some questions and see what's going on. I come right to the Infobarrel forum. And this is where you can learn a lot. You post your question, and these members, everyone helps each other because there's plenty of room for everyone to succeed. It's about people helping people. And that's the way it should be. Because there's hundreds of billions of people out there on the web. No one needs to be greedy. We all help each other. And then you can learn more about announcements, article reviews, bugs and ideas, and so on. Browse around. Because this works. I can show you one more thing. I'm going to show you my content. And this shows you how many words are in each article you wrote. And that's why I like to add to it. And it shows you when it was edited and when you published it. How many, say I got 7 views already on desktop. This means mobile. So, I mean, it just grows and grows and grows. And you can delete, you can add, you see your stuff here. I have 4 pages of articles. If I click on my username, I have 84 articles right now. And these are all social networking links that they have the form for you just to add your name, and they submit this. This is a part of their format. Just less coding you need to know. You just need to know the name of your Facebook page, the name of your Facebook group, your Twitter username, and they take care of the rest. You fill in the info. And there you go. I hope this helps you. And, you know, remember, good luck with everything. If you ever need any help, contact me online. Follow me at my Online Article Writers Facebook group. Contact me at my Internet Education 101 YouTube channel. Contact me at Infobarrel. My username is Homebase Income. There's so many ways you can contact me, and if you don't try, you won't know, and if you don't ask, you won't learn. Hope to see you. Have a great day.